In this video, we'll show you how to create new lists. Lists are a great way to manage your contacts and keep them organised. You can use lists to group contacts together, track a contact's progress through a journey, and for reporting. We'll use Bob's Boats as an example. To create a list, navigate to the Contacts section. Select the plus button beside the section header Lists. For example, let's call this list Newsletter Subscribers. There are three ways you can then add and remove contacts from lists within Autopilot. Firstly, when you import contacts, you can add them to a list as part of the import process. We previously covered how to import contacts in an earlier video, but you can follow along here with Bob for a quick refresher. Creating these lists while importing contacts is a great way to keep track of where your contacts originated from. For example, Bob may have obtained a list of registrants for his newsletter and an event he hosted. Bob loves his barbecues. You can also add or remove contacts from a list via a journey. For example, in this Autopilot journey, let's connect a trigger of completed a form to subscribe to newsletter to the Add to List action. Using the drop-down, you can select the list you want or create a new list and title it. This will automatically add contacts to your list when they meet the trigger criteria. So in this example, anyone who signs up to the newsletter is automatically added to the newsletter subscribers list. You can also do this to remove contacts from a list. Just connect the Remove from List action to your trigger. Select the list you want the contacts to be removed from, newsletter subscribers, and the journey will do it for you. You can also manually add and remove contacts from lists individually or as a group via the contacts page. This is the least common method, however it is useful. To add a contact to the list you just created, you'll need to go to the All Contacts page and click on the contact you wish to add. The green plus button in the bottom right hand corner allows you to select what list you want the contact added to. This customer subscribed to Bob's newsletter, so we've added them to the newsletter subscribers list. A pop-up box will tell you that your contact was successfully added to the list. You can edit or delete your list by clicking on these three vertical dots. You may need to edit your list, often to rename them. For instance, Bob may now have two newsletters, one for sales and one for experiences. By editing the list name and adding a new list, this allows you to differentiate between the subscribers. If you delete your list, just remember that deleting a list doesn't delete the contacts, just the list itself. If you wish to delete the contacts, go check out our Managing Contacts video. And that's creating lists. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team.